Welcome back. Today, in this part of 24th episode, you are going to learn the meanings of 10 verbs with their 3 forms, that is present, past, and past participle, that are commonly used in our day-to-day life. Please watch this video without skipping, because you will miss the important meanings of the words, which is gonna be very helpful in future. Now, let's start from
Number 1. In English, do, did, done.
हिंदी में करना.
in Manipuri.
Touba, Tourammi, Toukhare.
Number 2. In English, say, said, said.
हिंदी में कहना.
in Manipuri.
Haiba, Hairammi, Haikhare.
Number 3. In English, go, went, gone.
हिंदी में जाना.
in Manipuri.
Chatpa, Chatlammi, Chatkhare.
Number 4. In English, get, got, or gotten.
हिंदी में प्राप्त करना या पाना.
in Manipuri.
Phangba, Phanglammi, Phangkhare.
Number 5. In English, make, made, made.
हिंदी में बनाना.
in Manipuri.
Phangba, Phanglammi, Phangkhare.
Or
Saaba, Saarammi, Saakhare.
Number 6. In English, know, knew, knew.
हिंदी में जानना.
in Manipuri.
Phangba, Phanglammi, Phangkhare.
Number 7. In English, think, thought.
हिंदी में सोचना.
in Manipuri.
Phangba, Phanglammi, Phangkhare.
Number 8. In English, take, took, taken.
हिंदी में लेना.
in Manipuri.
Lauba, Laurammi, Laukhare.
Number 9. In English, see, saw, seen.
हिंदी में देखना.
in Manipuri.
Uba, Urammi, Ukhare.
Number 10. In English, come, came, come.
हिंदी में आना.
in Manipuri.
Lakpa, Laammi, Lakhare.
That's all for today. Keep practicing to improve your fluency in Manipuri language. I hope that you might have found this video helpful. If so, then, please share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.